We're making a class favorite today, fajitas. We're making chicken today with some veggies and lots of spices. Let's make the marinade. Add all of your spices to a bowl. Add your oil and your lime juice too. And that's it. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a closer look. I'm gonna start with my veggies. We're using a chef's knife today. For the bell pepper, you're just gonna rip out those seeds and try to take out as much of the white membrane as you can. Put that in a trash bowl. Now we're gonna cut this into slices. Cut through the inside of the bell pepper instead of the outside because the knife has a way easier time moving through. I'm doing about 1/4 inch slices today. Put that in a bowl. Now for the onion. We don't want that skin, so cut off one side and peel off the skin. Now we're just slicing this up today. In the bowl. And a couple garlic cloves. Get rid of the skin. Smash the garlic with the side of the knife. And we're gonna mince through this today. Slice it first to make it flat, and then mince through. In the bowl. Now for the chicken, we're using an entire chicken breast today. If you look at the grain of the chicken, it runs across. We want to cut opposite of that, against the grain. First, I'm going to make this smaller by cutting the chicken breast in half. Now see those grains? We're going to cut against the grain into slices. This makes the chicken way more tender. If there's any gross parts of fat, you can slice those off. Let's put that in a separate bowl. Against the grain, into slices. Again, these are about 1/4 inch slices. Now it's time to clean up, including the counter area around the cutting board. We don't want to cross-contaminate. Let's get rid of everything. Move it to the side. Use lots of soapy water. Wipe that off with a paper towel and then sanitize. Let's move on with our recipe. We're gonna set our veggies aside and we're gonna add the marinade just to the chicken. We are not ready to mix the veggies and chicken together. Don't do it. Mix the marinade into the chicken. You can use a spoon or your hands. Wash those hands, no cross-contaminating. In our class, we usually store these overnight in 2 separate bags, one for chicken, one for veggies. When you're ready to cook, make sure your oven rack is at the top and set the oven to broil by pushing broil and start. Let's get our pan ready. We've lined it with foil. We don't need oil today. Veggies and chicken on the pan. Use your hands to mix it together. Then spread the chicken and veggies out in one even layer so they cook evenly. Wash those hands. In the oven, top rack. Let's get our other ingredients together while we wait. I have a pan lined with foil, but I'm gonna give it some spray. Put your tortillas down. I have 4, but you'll probably use 5. Now for the cheese, we're gonna grate it on a cutting board. Use the larger holes on your grater. Most people grate the cheese up and down, but because this is sharp, the safest way to do it is to the side. Grate all that cheese. When you're ready to wash the cheese grater, go against the blade so you don't shred up the sponge. Fajitas are done. Let's make sure. Don't just try a bite. Cut it open in several places and make sure the chicken's not pink in the middle. Don't just check one piece, check several across the pan. If it's not pink, it's done. Now for the quesadillas. Put half your cheese on half of each quesadilla. Now top it with all of the chicken mixture. More cheese on top. Use all the cheese. It's not as much as it looks. Now you want to firmly press down on all the quesadillas. In the oven, top rack. Looks good, but we need to flip them over. So halfway through the baking process, you take them out and flip them. Use a fork because they're really hot. Back in the oven, nice and crisp. Remove them from the pan using a spatula and a fork. Then we're ready to cut and serve. Look how good they look. Those are some delicious fajita quesadillas.